Alrighty, here we go, Heath. 295. Michael for a box of Spectra. Heath, here you go. You said box 7? Or I'm sorry, box 2. Make sure that's what you said. Yep, number 2. Here we go. 3 boxes left from this case. We're chasing. Well, that's a good one. Uh-oh. To 99, Andy Dalton. Heath. Dalton to 99. To 99, Drew Brees. To 199, Jared Goff and Cooper Kupp. And then Heath, this next one's going to be, it's pretty sought after. Number to 25, dual patch, dual auto, rookies, Pat Mahomes, and Kareem Hunt. When they made this card, they had no idea it was going to be as big as it is right now. Mahomes and Hunt, dual patch, dual auto to 25. Boom, baby. To 15, Stefon Diggs. To 99, Ezekiel Elliott. To 199, Joe Mixon. And to 99, Javon Kearse. Legends Auto. Hard signed. Oh, hello. To 99, Aaron Rodgers. I think you're going to like this box, Heath. To 35, Thomas Rawls. To 99, Randall Cobb. And you got Pat Mahomes, Kareem Hunt, and number to 50, Deshaun Watson. Sounds like he's going to start tonight. Green rookie patch auto green ink to 50. Ding. To 50, Deshaun Jackson. Next, numbered to 5. Look at that thing. Zay Jones, rookie, rising rookie dual patch to 5. Next to 99, Deshaun Watson triple threat. And to finish it off to 50, Thomas Rawls, jersey autograph. Heath, there you have it.